Today we talk about how can you select soundboard voice volume on your Discord app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go down here, click on you down here, just click on it. When you click on you, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. You go above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Just scrolling down here until you will find here first, just click on it. Then you just scrolling down here until you will find here soundboard volume here. And can you manage here your soundboard volume here in this list? Can you manage it in this list when you swipe here? So that's all you have to do to manage your soundboard volume here in this list. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.